going to keep hearing that. Train like you operate. I want everybody to walk out of this door with a completely different perspective about the flight line and flight line safety and how we do things. Unfortunately, in law enforcement, the way we usually learn and the way we make change is when something bad happens. And I don't want that something bad happening to be anybody in this room. We want to learn from other people's mistakes.
We're super excited to have you all with us. This is our biggest year yet.
Such a huge benefit for the attendees to be able to see all of the new technology in one place and to not only see it on a table but also use it real world in the field in training scenarios to see how effective it can be for them.
Some of the technologies that you're going to see today with this is going to be Axon. They've got their Sky Hero they're going to have out.
And then that's when those prototypes and get around that vehicle.
It's going to be 12 o'clock.
What you see on the screen as well, see the cameras from spot.
PDW is going to be in the air again, providing the ISR.
All right, well, shots fired. So they have located the suspects. Feel free to come up visit with us afterwards. We're going to keep this scenario lane open. So if any of you have your personal aircraft and you want to practice movement to contact, you want to play with your thermal, you want to work with suspect tracking, we're going to open this up. It's going to be open for the next few hours if you want to bring your aircraft out here and fly it.
So UTAC, unlike other events, it gives connected operator and kinetic operators the ability to team the technology and again work out TTPs with that tech or figure out the usage of it with the teams themselves.
Throughout history, like, you always shoot stationary targets, and yesterday the competition on the range, the UTAC attendees were able to engage moving targets, doing multiple turns and multiple routes on the range and seeing how difficult it is at just a walking or a jogging pace. They were able to get some training in out on the range yesterday, as well as identify like, hey, this is super hard. I need to go back where I work and train aggressively to shoot moving targets.
You have all the city streets, you have the street lights, you have the buildings that are perfectly functioning and the ones that have been partially demolished. It's pretty amazing. It's like flying in a movie set, I would say.
Motor size, RPM, 6S, 4S, what does that mean?
Everything from using robotics for breaching, doing multiple levels of searching, all robotic based, no human intervention required yet at that time, getting eyes on, even banging, gassing the suspect first with robotics. Like, it's just you just can't get this anywhere else.
Those of you who are in my lecture today talking about signal interference and RF frequency spectrum analysis stuff.
We've integrated some like single axis gimbals on it with a thermal camera pretty easily. And then this is right where you would strap around.
So you can go and actually set your mission through these buildings.
So we know that's not back here. We can kind of see all that. We see the beginning of that shelf.
This is the Unmanned LiDAR and autonomy mapping payload. So we use LiDAR in a small modular payload that can be drone mounted, UGV mounted, backpack mounted, hand carried.
really, this is an environment to train like you operate.